That was not fun at all. What's up, riders? Old Man Ronin here. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, we're out in the snow and the roads are clear. Not my driveway. Did not have a good experience coming down it, and I'll put some footage in here right now. Oy vey.
You know, I had to laugh because my driveway is pretty daggone steep. I know the camera doesn't do it any justice, but we still had a little bit of snow cover. But the most important part of that day was the fact that there was ice on our driveway. And as I started down there, the front brake, engine braking, and of course the rear brakes were completely worthless.
Nope.
So what do? You freewheel it, baby. And that's basically what I did, heading down the driveway to the end where it was completely clear of ice and snow, and I was able to stop.
Well,
but the main reason I wanted to do this video was to highlight the new Insta360 camera that I got. It was an experience, but I want to put a little bit of footage in here briefly of the first time I used it and also edited the film. We're going to have some other footage down later in this video, but this is the first experience I did using the Insta360 and trying to edit. And it's taken me a couple days to actually get the hang of it. I'm by far no expert, but I think it's really going to add a lot to the channel in the future. And I think it's a great camera. Editing, I have to learn. You're never too old to learn, that's for darn sure. So I thought I'd add a little bit more of the 360 camera in here, just to give an idea of, well, basically it's teaching me how to do it. So enjoy the feature with a little bit of music added. this next part, all I can do is say, you know, I try to show you guys pretty much everything that happens when we're out there riding, and this is no exception. Trying to get back into our driveway with as much ice as we had on it was an adventure. But again, in full disclosure, we want to show you exactly what happened. So I hope you enjoy it. Well, not too much.
His is almost completely gone and mine is not. I might be able to do it. Okay, here. Try to find the gravel. Try to find the gravel. Almost got it, almost got it.
Nice.
And just for fun, I thought maybe you'd want to see the difference between going up my driveway in snow versus ice.
Whoa, doggy. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification button, share and comment. You know I read all the comments and comment on as many as I possibly can. Until next time, guys, ride safe and keep her on two wheels, baby.